Bahubali, a visual stunner. I'm happy to report that India's most expensive film to date was worth every rupee spent on it. If the dizzy budget went close to the 200 rupee crore figure, every frame speaks of lavishness and technical luxury. Writer-director S.S. Rajamouli's dramatic two-part period film unfolds on an unprecedented scale. Stormy waters drench the screen as a feisty woman of noble bearing staggers to save a baby from a bloodthirsty army. The baby grows up into Shiva, an astoundingly strong and courageous young man, curious about what lies beyond the slippery, unscalable mountains around him. Hunky Telugu superstar Prabhas is fabulously cast as Shiva, who can almost move mountains and cause an avalanche. Rajamouli cleverly uses special effects to weave a sensuous romance between fiery warrior girl Avantika and Shiva. And he makes opulent use of special effects to also create the most spectacular war scenes ever seen in Indian cinema. Here is a film that can technically stand tall even when compared to Hollywood biggies like 300. Enchanted by Avantika, Shiva is led up and beyond the mountains that he could never scale earlier. But what beckons him is not just Avantika. There also lies the bloody kingdom of Maheshmati, where Bhalala Deva rules with bonded labor, slaves and whips. Another biceps specialist, Rana Daggubati, is cast as the brutal Bhalala Deva, who's unflinching about animal sacrifice or human lives. He enters the arena with his brawn pitted against a wild bull, which would make a Spanish matador seem like a wimp. There is a mother angle threaded in, as Bhalala Deva has Shiva's real mother in fetters for the last 25 years. But, like Rakhi in Karan Arjun, she breathes fire with the warning, Mera beta aayega. Beta Shiva does land there to find his true identity as Bahubali of Maheshmati. A backstory lays the ground for a monumental war. But Rajamouli enticingly wraps up part 1, leaving the door open for the ultimate epic fight between Bahubali and Bhalala. Alas, it'll come only 1 year later. Rajamouli goes overboard in fantasy building his characters, which works for his main cast. But he makes a caricature of the enemy in the backstory. M.M. Cream's music is also a disappointment. Not a single melody lingers after the film. I can't talk of its business prospects in Hindi since it's dubbed from the Telugu original. And roaring hero Prabhas is unknown to the Hindi audience. But in every other way, this film is proof that you don't need 3D for visual grandeur. Excellent camera work and fabulously choreographed action and war scenes make this a very rewarding experience. For a magnificently mounted film that's technically a huge leap forward for Indian cinema, Bahubali gets a 4-star rating.